Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Stay viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers. Today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish, modern, short layers, bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus stylish, modern, girls bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded stylish girls bob with bangs, haircuts, designs, decent height haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Today you will see in this video stylish 40 plus attractive bob haircuts designs, front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts, decent tight haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Do you have new ideas of unique haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. 40 plus stylish, unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas. If you like my videos, so lovely viewers, please download it my videos and you like this one unique haircuts ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So I have uploaded stylish girls bob with short bob haircuts designs, decent tight haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends, you will see